Hello everyone. Today I have 2 tickets. It's called Estrellas de Sorte or Lucky Stars in English, guys. I have 2 tickets and I have Philippines peso. My boss gave this to me because I left my country 20 years ago. So I really don't know what money to use there. Okay, so today I'm gonna use this. My boss gave this to me. Okay, the new coins from the Philippines. Moedas das Filipinas. Hola a todos. Boa tarde. Mais dia de luta. Vamos chegar a ganhar. Ok? Let's start. Vamos começar. Ok? Eu tenho o número 0 e 1. Ok? Let's start with 1 maybe. For a change, I'm gonna use 10 peso Filipinas. Okay, what's written here? Okay, it's because it's dark, right, guys? Republika ng Pilipinas. In English, Republic of the Philippines. Okay, let's start. How to win in this ticket? We're looking for 3 like symbols. Acorn or buluta for €5. Chave or key 10. Trivo or clover 20. Set or 7 50. Rainbow or arco-iris, I think. I hope I pronounce it right. Ferradura or horseshoe 200. Bisuro or beetle 500. Chauffeur de Sorte or Lucky Hat 1,000. Joninha or Ladybug 5,000. And the star 50,000. The jackpot. The odds of winning are 1 in 3.43, but today I only bought 2. Okay? It's good. You buy 2. If you don't win, you only lost. Aha, one more of this is 500. Come on, ticket. Sure. So if I don't win, I only lost €10. Hi, come on. 20. Come on, 20. Nada. It's a winner, guys. It's a winner. Wow, €5. What X? Please don't give me €5 on X. I already forgot it's a winner, guys. 3 buluta. 7 1. Ay, Jesus. I talk a lot and my phone stop working. That's why many of my videos, guys, it's like always stop because of my phone. Okay, I need to win big to buy a new phone, so I got 10 so far. Okay, let's hope we can find more. Estrella, no. So let's hope we can get in the bonus area also. No. So X is 10. I forgot the code of the €10. Okay, so I got €10 win, guys. Nice. Well, it's not nice, but it's okay. So I got 3 buluta. I found 3 like symbols. 5 plus 5, so 10. So I got back all my money in this session, guys. Okay, ticket number 1. Let's go to 0 0. Triple 0. Okay. Gonna use 5 peso. Okay. This is our national hero, guys. Jose Rizal. Okay. Let's hope it's back to back. Come on, ticket. I thought it's a rainbow. Set. Come on, one more. Oh my Diyos. I thought it's a back to back, guys. Come on, ticket. No. And the annoying barcode. Come on, Tribo. Tribo is 20, guys. No. Shave. Shave. Come on, one more Shave. No. Horseshoe. No. Set. No. Oh my Diyos. Our last hope is the bonus. Come on, bonus. Be a winner. Of course. No. Okay, so at least I got back all my money in this session, guys. I got back all my money. With my Pilipinas. Muy das Pilipinas. Okay? My boss give me. He asked me, Jessica, do you know he went there for holiday, guys. And he gave me this bag, Bohol, and a lot of things, guys. I cannot show one by one. Okay? This bag, guys, I can put all my losing tickets. I can put my losing tickets in this bag. This is the island where I grew up, where I was born. It's a touristic island, guys. Now it's a rich island. Before, when I was a kid, was so poor. We are surrounded by beautiful ocean, sea. Okay, so I got all my money in this session, guys. Okay, bye. Have a nice day. Ciao. Thank you for watching. Obrigada a todos. Ciao.